Hey Divi Nation, thanks for stopping by our documentation to learn all about Divi's toggle module. So the toggle module, much like our accordion module, is great for displaying usually blocks of text that on pages where you don't want just large blocks of text taking up the entire content space. So what it allows you to do is hide and then display pieces of content with an aptly named toggle button. So we're going to show you how to do that and how to customize it with our fantastic design settings in this video. So check it out.
In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of Divi's toggle module. Toggles are just a great way to consolidate information and improve that user experience on your page. It's great for using it for FAQs on your website or maybe on the contact page, anywhere you want to just kind of keep information nice and short and hidden unless the user actually wants to see it. So as you can see, I'm in a visual builder right now, editing a landing page, and this is a frequently asked questions section. And I have some mock text here with some lorem ipsum serving for the titles and the content. But if I were to click on one of these toggles, you'll see that it toggles open more text. So a great way to consolidate a frequently asked questions section on your website. All right, so let's take a closer look at the settings here. If I click on my toggle settings in the content tab, you can see that I can enter my title here. This is the title. I actually probably should do it all caps to match the title. So this is the title. It's what shows before you actually toggle open the toggle. And the content is actually what shows up whenever you open your toggle. And there it is. The state. This you can select what you want your toggle to start off as. If it's in the closed state or the open state, if I change it to open, then it will stay open when the page loads until the user actually closes it. This is good for if you are showcasing an FAQ like this and you have one question that you want to highlight or keep open for your users to see. This is a good way to do that. So just select the state as open to start instead of closed. You can change the background of your toggle here. If I wanted maybe a white background, I could do that here. Let's go ahead and leave it for now. Let's go to our design tab and we can see a lot more options available to us. For example, the first one listed here is the icon color. We can go ahead and change that if we need to. That icon is the one over to the right here that kind of shows the user that it is a toggle, and by clicking it you can toggle it open and closed. You can change that color of that icon to maybe a yellow or something to make it stand out more. I'm gonna leave it white to match the design of the page for now. There's some toggle styling here, and this allows you to change the colors of your text and background based on the state of your toggle. So if I have an open toggle state, so when it's open I can customize the header text and the background colors however I want. So just as an example, if I wanted to change the text color of the header for the open state of the toggle, I can do that. Same goes for my open toggle background. Change that as well. And if I close it, you can see it goes back to the closed styles. All right, let's see some other settings that we have here. Text orientation. This is common throughout all our modules here, but I could center it if I wanted to. the text title. This just some overriding styles for your actual title here that shows. And then the body text would be the text that shows when you open the toggle. This text can actually be customized in the body text settings. If you wanted to use a border, you could do that. Maybe you wanted to add a yellow border here, you can do that as well. I'm gonna leave that out for now. Sizing, spacing, all can be applied to the module, just like other modules, and add an animation as well. And there's your overview of Divi's toggle module.